Last night I woke up in the middle of the night, thought of things that meant so much for me and my wife. Children, school and house, livelihood and life. I can't stop thanking God for these unanswered prayers. When I was young, my dreams were different from what I have now. I took a lot for granted, never cared so much. Dreaming far away, I could never stay. But now I'm thankful, God, for these unanswered prayers. You are the answer to my unanswered prayers. I swear to God, you are my unanswered prayers. I may not have known, 'cause I was so young and alone. But now I realize you are the answer to my very prayers. Funny, but it seems like God had made plans all along. Took a lot of twists and turns, had to let go of my own. Funny it may seem, you know, how lucky have I been. Now I have you all beside me, my unanswered prayers. God, I can't thank enough, you're the Lord of my life. 'Cause I owe you so much, I fall down on my knees. I couldn't bear the thought of it, had you answered all my dreams. I wouldn't have my wife and kids, your very answer to my unanswered prayers. The answer to my unanswered prayers. I swear to God they are my unanswered prayers. I may not have known, 'cause I was so young and alone. But now I realize you are the answer to my